ICSE. Today I am going to teach you all the lesson from the Radiant Reader, lesson number 15. So in this lesson, it's a short lesson and based on how a blind man was being held by a kind person and how he was honest and due to his honesty he was being rewarded by the man named Valentine, and how Valentine got and flash an idea of to make the blind people also learn. So, and the language through which they learn is known as braille. Okay, for these people, those who are blind. So here there are different sets of organs, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So each sense organs function differently. The eyes help us to see, the nose help us to smell, the tongue help us to taste, the skin help us to feel, and the ear help us to hear. So how, based on feeling, the two sense organs, this blind man, when they touch, they feel it and then they are able to read. So based on that, they have given the title, Just Touch and Read. So when these blind people, those who are unable to see, they cannot see. So how do they do their work, and how do they have through the when they touch something, they feel and then they come to know what it is all about, or what the thing is, or what thing is it. So let us do the lesson, and there are two characters in this story, that is the blind man and the stranger, that is the man who helped him, his name is Valentine. So let us listen and repeat. Kind, blind, behind. I repeat, the words that end with ND is kind, blind, behind. Now, do you know that even a blind man can read nowadays? Now, do you know even a blind man can read nowadays? Now, if people say the blind man cannot see, how can he read then? People may be surprised. How can a blind man read? Because he cannot see. Indeed, he can read as well as you and I too. So they are saying, indeed, both, like he can read as well as you, like both, even the blind person can read as well as we, those who have eyes and they can see, they can also read as I do. You will be surprised to learn that it was the honesty of a blind man that made it possible. So you will be surprised, okay, to learn that it was the honesty of the blind man. So surprise means a strange thing, or suddenly doing certain things which is unexpected. To learn it was the honesty of the blind man. Honesty means it's an adverb. How he was honest or loyal and faithful to the person from whom he had been helped. It was the honesty of the blind man that made it possible. So, due to his honesty, the blind man, the strange man, that is Valentine, got the idea to make them learn the alphabets through the race thing. Here is now, it happened. About 200 years ago, there lived in Paris a man whose name was Valentine. So, this story had taken place in Paris, and his first name was Valentine. There lived a man whose name was Valentine. One day, as he was going to the market, on the way he saw a blind man coming towards him, moving towards him or coming towards him. So, on his way, he met a blind man. When he was going to the market, he met a blind man. Being kind, he wanted to help the blind man. So being kind, he wanted to help the blind man. And he took out a coin and put it in his hand. So he took a coin, out a coin, and he put it in his hand, and he gave him. So he saw the blind man, he felt pity, and he wanted to help him. Looking at him, so he took from his pocket a coin and put it in his hand. So he gave him a coin. Okay, coin is a currency which is used. He said here, young man, this may help you a little. So he said to the young man. So the man who was blind, he said that this may help you. The blind man with a smile replied. So the blind man was with a great smile replied to him, thank you sir, it is very kind of you. So he thanked him because the Valentine gave him a coin. Valentine was on his way and so was the blind man. So he also went on his way and so was the blind man. He was going. All of a sudden the blind man shouted, stop sir. So he was moving, or he was going behind the man who had helped him. That is Valentine. So all of a sudden the blind man shouted. So what he shouted, he called out, stop sir, stop. Valentine stopped and looked behind to find the blind man following him. So he was on his way and he just helped him and he moved on his way ahead. But this blind man was following him and he was trying to stop him. And then after a while, after some time, he was towards the Valentine and he shouted at him that stop sir. And suddenly when Valentine heard this, he stopped and he turned. He looked behind. He turned himself and looked behind, and he saw the blind man was following him, was coming after him, was coming after him. As you can see in this picture, the straight man and the Valentine and the blind man, and how he is following the blind man. Valentine is moving ahead on the way of the road, and how the blind man is following him. What is it now? Asked Valentine. Sir, you have made a mistake. What is now? Asked Valentine. He said, what is now? Now already I had helped him. So now what do you want? So he asked, what is now? Sir, you have made a mistake. He's telling that you have done a mistake or certain thing wrong. I think you have done a mistake, replied the blind man. I am sure you wanted to give me a sow, but now you have given me 20 times more than a franc. Now sow means what, children? It's a currency. Okay, it's a French coin which has a low value, which is very less. Like for example, in the Indian currency, 1 rupee is the least. So like that, sow is the coin which is used in a French coin which has a low value. So instead, as you see a blind person or any person, you try to give, so you give the least amount or the coin whichever you have, you try to share it. So same way, he thought that he gave a coin, but instead of sow, he wanted to give sow, he was telling, but he gave him 20 times more than. It was more than 20 times, because a franc is a currency of few countries. It had a greater value. So franc was a currency which was used in few countries. Valentine was surprised. How did he find that out? He asked, well, just one feel of the figures on the coin, I knew that it was, replied the blind man smilingly. So Valentine got surprised because he was unaware. He just gave, he removed a coin from his pocket and he just gave it to him, and without noticing that which coin he has given to the blind man. But his intention was just to help the blind man. So then he was surprised. How did you come to know that it's a franc, not a sow? So the blind man answered, well, just I could only feel on the figures of he fell. Okay, he saw the coin and he touched the coin and he felt that the figures on the coin, and then he came to know it's a franc, not a sow. I knew it, replied the blind man. Oh, I see. You are not only honest but also clever. So he said he's not only honest, because if you find like this, a person who's giving you more value of money, then you would rather keep it rather than returning it. But this blind man was very honest. He followed the Valentine and he wanted to return back, because he knew that he had given him the wrong coin, or by mistake he had given more money than what he might have thought to give as an help. So replied back, oh, I see, they are not only honest but also clever. So he was also clever, because he came to know what is the difference of sow and franc, because sow has a low value and wherein franc has a greater value. Never mind, keep the franc. You have earned it. So he said, Valentine said, never mind, now you keep it, because you have earned it, because of your honesty, you deserve it. It was a reward for being honest and clever. So he said that it is a reward, it is like a gift for you, because you were honest and clever. So saying, he went on his way. So by saying this statement, he just went on his way ahead. But this time he was thinking hard. Now he was thinking, or as he was moving ahead on his way, he was thinking hard, and an idea came in and flashed. An idea came in a flash of him. Now, what do you mean by flash? Suddenly. So when as he was moving and he was thinking, suddenly an idea came into his mind. If man can make out a coin from the raised figure on it. So there was a raised figure. So the coin had a raised figure through which he could see, through which he could touch, not see, through which he could touch. Instead of seeing, he could touch, and he came to know that it is a franc, not a sow. So if this can make out a coin from the raised figure on it, he said to himself, surely he can be helped to read the alphabet by raised letters. So if you raise the letters, if you can see in this picture, there are alphabets. There's an instrument on which they are raised alphabets, and through which when they can touch and they can come to know what alphabets they are. So he made, so this idea came into his mind. If the raised thing, by feeling the touch of it, he is aware what it was a coin, it was a franc coin, so he can even learn the alphabets like A, B, C, D and all. So even a blind person can also learn alphabets, he can read, he can be able to read. So, and this surely will help him by the raised letters. As you can see, there are raised letters on it. Okay, this wonderful idea became a real thing later on. So this idea had become a real thing later on. A blind man can now read all by himself. Now a blind person can also read by all himself, by touching the alphabets of the raised steps. He can surely read. He does it by merely touching the raised figure later with his fingers. So he does it merely, with happily touching it with the raised letters with his fingers. So he touches with his fingers and he is able to read the letters. Now, Braille is a form of a written language for the blind people. So like this language has been invented by these people. So even Helen Keller was one of the girls who was blind, and how she also learned Braille through the Braille language, and how it helped her. Now, some French coin of low value. Franc, currency of few countries. Flash, sudden. Now answer the following questions. Why did Valentine give the coin to the blind man when he first met him? So Valentine gave the coin to the blind man when he first met him, because he wanted to help the blind man. He was a kind man and he wanted to help. Valentine was a kind man and he wanted to help the blind man. What made the blind man return the coin? So what made the blind man? Because when the blind man had felt and touched the coin, so he came to know that it was a franc instead of, and he thought that the Valentine should have must thought and given the sow, but it was not a sow but a franc. So it had a greater value. The franc had a greater value and it was a currency of the two countries. So he wanted to return it because he thought that the blind man would have given him a low, should have given him a sow, thought and should have given him a sow, but instead of sow he gave him a franc. So the blind man returned the coin because it was a franc and instead of a sow. So that and franc is a currency which is having a higher value. It was 20 times more than the sow. How did the blind man's honesty help other blind men to read? So the blind man's honesty, when he saw the franc, when he touched the franc, and I'm again discussing the third answer with you. How did the blind man's honesty help other blind men to read? So the other blind men's honesty helped the blind men to read, other blind men to read, because when the blind man was honest and he returned back the franc which he had received, his honesty, and through which the Valentine came to know if any object, if the blind person can touch, if it's a raised object, if the blind person can touch, they can feel and they can come to know what it is. So which gave and which made him flash an idea, if the alphabets are written on a raised thing, even the blind people can also read. So this way the other blind men were able to read. Now there are words you have to write it in your own sentences. All by myself, honesty, nowadays, mistake. Complete the sentences given below by using the correct form from the poem. Sound, smell, touch, taste and sight. These are the 5 organs functions. So based on that, every sentence you need to fill in the suitable words. If you are blindfolded means when a cloth is tied on your eyes, so that is known as blindfolded, through which you cannot see anything. So if you are blindfolded, you can name a flower by the dash of it, by the touch of it, okay, by the touch of it. Next, we can make out the point by the I'm so sorry. The first one is, if you're blindfolded, you can name a flower by the dash of it. The next sentence is, we can make out the point by the dash of it, by the touch of it. You can tell that jam is sweet by the dash of it, by the taste of it. You can know there is a bee in the house by the dash of it, by the sound of it. You are sure that the cloth is silk by the dash of it, by the touch of it. And the first one, if you are blindfolded, you can name the flower by the smell of it. I hope you have understood the lesson. Write the question